said that the shadows in this issue are so much. All of the shadows in this issue would fall under violence against the opposing sex. Mostly, this happens to females. Their male partners beat up the female because of uncertain reasons. Examples are, woman has another man. Both male and female have wrong notions. They are not sensitive about each other's feelings. There is also the never-ending issue on men treating women only as objects of pleasure. This is often seen in men's magazines, pornography, etc. We don't see the other greatness of women, the other reasons why they are made.